Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 2 secant of 2x squared dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Secant of 2x squared dx we change by du over number 2. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and we put about c. Number 2, you got about 4. About u, that's about tan 2x. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We will have about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of secant of 2x plus tan 2x. And we put about c in here because coefficient of this one is about number 2. So if we do this integration, we need to divide by coefficient of x. That's why we have 1 over 2 in here. Similar for this one, we have 1 over 2. But this is about sine. The integration of sine, we have negative cosine of 2x minus 1. Similar for this one. 1 divided by 1 over 2, you got about 2. And that should be about sine of s over 2. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.